Okay, today I have a rather simple plan. It's just to add this deer. I think it was last stream I added a little background mouse. So along the same lines, I'm just gonna add this little deer. You won't be able to really interact with it. It'll just be kind of like a little background element that runs away when you get close. But it was a cool asset. I bought it off of itch.io. So it comes in a lot of different parts that you kind of piece together. So it's got like an idle stance with like a little tail flick, and it has like different heads with little ear flicks, and it's just a deer doing deer stuff. So there's a lot of different combinations, and gonna be a pretty basic stream. I'm gonna position everything and then get all the code written, get some basic AI going, and I imagine it will go smoothly. But yep, that's gonna be pretty much it for today, I think. If it goes very quickly, we might get to something else, but we'll see how it goes. So right now I'm just positioning everything in the frame at the same spot. And I think I'm gonna do something similar with the heads and just have them in their own complete frame as well. There'll be like a lot of like extra space, but it'll make all the positioning and the code a lot cleaner, easier to do. I won't have to mess with any like offsets or anything weird like that. So I'm just gonna copy this onto a bottom layer. And that's just my guide. That's good, and yeah, then so the heads, it looks like they're duplicates, but there's not. It's just depending on the way the body's facing. Looks like there's gonna be 10 total. It's fine. It's fine. this. Just make that full transparency for now. Go ahead and position the... It's gonna be up here somewhere. Probably won't use the death animation, but I got it in case I do. So heads now. It's gonna be a lot of moving around, I think. So this will be like the final image, just this layer. And then I'll have two separate sprites in the game with the head layered on top of these, so that you can have any combination of like little tail flicks and having the leg upright, along with any kind of head movement. Which there's a lot of different combinations here, so it's very thorough. See, I want the little ears to actually be reversed. So I'm also going to use that as a little animation for when it turns. So if it's like facing forward and then turns to look to the right, the ears kind of like start back and then they fall forward as it turns. So I'm just putting those in order. There. Good. And then now that everything's positioned, I don't actually need the shadow. I'm gonna add my own shadow. Well, that erases the eyes as well. Alright, let's go ahead and skip ahead a little bit and get that added. Where did I put the mouse? Probably reorganize that another day. Alright, the other thing I wanted to do was I created like kind of like a general purpose class called Critter for the mouse. Plans of using it for like little small things, but the deer's, I don't know, deer's not really a critter, so I'm gonna rename this to like just like a more generic. I think I was gonna go with background entities. Just basically just a general purpose class for background elements that kind of like they do their own thing. They have like simple AI, but you don't really directly interact with them. They just kind of do their own thing. So rename the file as well. Entity singular. So I need to copy the mouse class. Use that as our basis for the deer. Extends background entity. Set up the animations. And then rewrite a bunch of that stuff for the actual movement later. So our frames are 40 by 40. So I'm just gonna set up the animations in the code. That going and just get something added in the game, and then I'll continue on with all the finer details. So we have a walk and then a run in each direction, down, up, right. walk and run, and death starts at 320. Which I probably won't use. Still using the word critter here, that's fine. Not too concerned about that. Need to update my tile set I just used to design levels. Let's see, where did I hit that? I think I can edit the image after I copy it. Just have to add another one. Alright. Range. Just adding a few details here so it looks a little nicer. The white rectangles, yeah, they're collisions. The pink and red kind of background are like more or less accurate to how it actually shows up in the game, but they're just tiles. For me, really, to visualize where the collisions are, and then the game code actually creates boxes just based on their IDs. I use the horizontal boxes. That signifies that they're gonna first try to look for boxes to the left and right to combine into one, and then vertical does the same thing vertically. So you don't have a million different individual boxes. Okay, I think that's enough details. Yeah, that should be fine there. Alright, so we have a deer. I need map, build helper. Don't have to add something else. Yeah, that's how I'm doing it. It's all good. You won't kill the deer. It's not possible. It mainly just runs away when it sees you. It just looks nice. Does some deer stuff, eats some grass, twitches its ears, and then is largely just a background element. For now, things could change. So I think that's all good. Let's correct this. We're just gonna do that for now. And that for now. Oh dear, indeed. Welcome in, Saline. Could easily convert that to an activator and ignore the switch statement completely. I forget where I was when you saw that. In the map build, probably. I don't know what an activator is. Anim. Just to test out, the walk right looks the best. Looping. We're gonna say move target, move velocity. Oh, Roger the Rock, welcome in. Welcome Schmelly as well. I mean, the switch is working fine now. Let's see, that's probably the right shadow size. We'll go ahead and add this stuff. All this was is just picking a random target to walk to. So I can do that. Do need an idle animation set up though. And the deer, I'm gonna do it differently. We'll just make it headless for now, and then figure out the finer details of that. So we got down, up, right, left, I just flip. I don't actually need that. So down, up, right, starting at 120Y. The last fight I've ever, it's pretty rough. I died to a bad AI choice of movement. How many times did you die from those little black spiders? They like apparently kill you in one shot. Games like Surprise, Instant Death, Activator type of class, ARGs. Oh, I'm doing a lot of different stuff in that switch statement. Like beyond just the critters, I think. So I need lots of different... I need the ability to do a lot of different code there. Once the AI died to the big machine gun head. After those, he ran underneath it. Just info, I'll read up on it later. Which, the boss AI, Solarin? I didn't know there's like environmental damage. Oh, the spider, maybe. I don't know. It's been a bit. But yeah, that's a wild fight. It's pretty weird. It's not... It's kind of fun, like the first time you're like, oh, this is different, and then you're like, okay, this kind of sucks. Oh, you're playing as the dog, yeah. I see. That makes sense. So we got idle, it was... down, up, right. Starting at Y120. This is just kind of placeholder for now. That's 40-40. Down. Up. Right. Yeah. I think I remember doing that as well. The dog's fully charged blaster. It's definitely the way to go that fight. I think you can even like at the beginning you can get up like right next to the panels and then shoot horizontally and like kill a bunch of them, I think. Kind of, I don't know. It's a pretty janky fight. Pretty janky fight for a finale to a somewhat janky game, but it's fun. Yeah, Energize, I think. Yeah, that's good stuff. I think if I just keep all of the mouse code here, we're okay for now. Let's see what happens. Wow, that's a mouse. As it always does. Oh. Alright, it's calling it a deer. It's not a deer. Not still using the mouse script. That's what I forgot. Yeah, right here. Found it. I found it. Developed a way to write binary game saves that make it really easy. Saving and loading is so complicated. I mean, it's not that complicated, but there's so many things that can go wrong with it. Alright, deer looks pretty decent. Obviously, it's missing its head occasionally, which is as expected. I need to adjust the shadow size to be a little smaller. And then move the sprite up, probably 13 instead of 8. 13, and then let's do shadow 13. See what that looks like. Shadow looks a lot nicer. Alright, let's give it a head. I think. I actually want to just... Yeah, let's give it a head. I'll just go ahead and add these. Let's go back to this. How is this one set up? I think it's there. Looking back at you. I think that's it. Is Wayward a game? Not familiar with it. Alright, I think you go there. I think that's what's going on. With that. And these are reversed. How's this? Like that? Yeah. That looks good. Don't need left. It's kind of neat how it's all set up to overlap pixels that aren't needed. Alright, I think that's done. So there's the final sheet. Alright, let's get the rest of this stuff named. I'll just go ahead and do that, I guess. I'll do heads first. I'll do this stuff in a bit. So I want to get something basic working first. Why don't I do that yet? 60, 120, 200. I think I need, like, they're all just like little 2-frame flicks that I need them all to be like individual animations. Starting at 160, it goes face down, face up, face right. The head, I won't flip, I don't think. Hello, Cool D. Yeah, you're welcome to make a suggestion. The head, I don't think I can flip, so... that's... Alright, I'm being confused here. Hold on. I'm just trying to think... Alright, they're gonna be separate sprites. I can flip the body. Okay, yeah, all of this will be flipped, both head and body. That'll work. That'll work. It's an action RPG. I don't have a whole lot publicly now because I'm still gathering enough art assets together before I make an announcement detailing exactly kind of what the core focus is. But hopefully that won't be too much longer, maybe a few months. But if you've ever played Secret of Mana or Secret of Evermore, the gameplay is similar to that. You can yeah, that'll work. You can play gonna have like local co-op available at least. But yeah, it's just a basic action RPG format, so you'll be able to like explore stuff. There'll be some like Zelda-like dungeon designs. I'm gonna add a lot of breakable stuff. And there's an alchemy menu instead of regular like magic points or mana. So this deer, these are all when the body's down. So let's do anim. There's so many different details I need to specify. Alright, I'm just gonna develop a little naming convention here. So we're gonna have body and head. So I'll add body to those. So this will be head. B down. H down. Body down and head down. It's gonna be 160, 120. Single frame. B down, H down. Then we have the twitch. The head twitch of the ears. One of them is a box that says Cool D, and it gives you something special. I'm not opposed to Easter eggs, but that's a big ask. You will be able to have your voice heard in this game. I can tell you that much. So you got body down, head down, and then we need head up. Head. This I want to have 3 animations, one basic, one default, one twitch, and then together they're like a movement, a look right. So 240 is gonna be head up. Get the hang of this in a second. Up 40, and the twitch is 280. It wouldn't take a huge amount of time, but like the Sega game where you talk to fish? Which game is that? Never had a Sega anything, so I'm sure I missed out on a few stuff there. At this one, the look right is going to be 360, and the twitch is 320. Right. Oh yeah, there'll be plenty of bosses for sure. Oh, you talking to the mic? Oh wow. Ahead of its time. Right, twitch, and then we need a look. Starts at 320, and it's 2 frames. It's probably pretty fast. I'll turn. There'll probably be a secret boss somewhere. Possibly. There'll be secret areas for sure, secret treasures, secret places to explore. Do you like secrets? And then the left starts at 400 and 440. I have a complicated idea. Okay. I'm listening, but it's unlikely it'll be added, particularly if it's complicated. I think this is just, yeah, this is just a 2-frame little Manchin animation here. 480, 120. Two-frame loop. Its head, body down. Feet. I think that's the format I need. So now I just need that for up and right. And it's just 160, or yeah, 160 and then 200. I think we're set up. Hopefully. Passcode door, you find the numbers hidden. Yeah, that would take a lot of doing. I collect all the keys type of thing. So, that's a property on the parent class, so we'll just add an extra. We'll keep the body called sprite, and we'll add head. the same. Except it'll just be right in front, which is negative. Then, basically, when the deer moves, I'm gonna hide the head. Oh, that's idle. That's opposite. Idle, show the head. When we move, hide the head. See, we'll see what happens. Window, I think it'll be done. I'm not completely sure. Probably not a few years. It's a really unique situation, which you'll learn more about soon. But, I would say 1 year is probably more accurate. For when there will be something playable. Alright, my appearing and disappearing head is good. The positioning is way off though, which is unexpected. Because it's lined up here. These are shifted over a lot. Oh, it's because I was using... No, I was using these as a base too. That should be fine. Oh, I'm using the wrong... Alright, I think the head should be alright when the body's facing right. It's always doing a down idle though. Why is it always doing down? I named them all the same thing because I haven't done that yet. That makes sense. All right, we're clear. We're clear. It won't be short, but yeah, you'll just have to wait and see. There's a lot of prep that needs to be made beforehand. You'll know more in a few months once I like more formally announce stuff and have a title and everything. It's a very unique game. An idea. So this is body down. Body, so the different body stuff is we got a default, we got a tail twitch, and then we got leg up, tail twitch. We're at 80, 120. Copy that. Other directions. It goes down, up, right. Up. Right. Those are set up. So basically, let's just fix our idle setup here. Yep, that's game development for you. Everything, especially stuff you definitely think for sure is going to be small and simple. There's always something that pops up and makes it last forever. But with experience, you get a better feel for like how long things take and how probable something terrible will happen. Also set the head accordingly as well. Head, body up. It down, and we're like, we'll randomize this and add all the separate animations later. Which will just be a really basic implementation where the head's always looking down at the idle. So this is body down, head down. And then this is body right, head down. It's the same. Flip the head as well. And we'll see what that does. Looks good, looks good. Excellent, the flipping works. In and up. It looks funny when he looks behind him. But yeah, that looks good. Alright, I'm gonna get some more tea. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Now we get to add. I'm actually going to take a little GIF of this so I can update the social medias. What's going on? Oop, can't get close to it. Alright. Good. We're going to scale it. So that compression doesn't kill it. Good. Gets a little choppy. OBS doesn't like me recording GIFs at the same time, apparently. That's unfortunate. Alright, back to work. Back to work. That was still work, but back to creating stuff. Creating and sharing stuff. Those are the two game dev works. So now we go back to creating things. Alright, so thinking about the AI. Do like... We'll have a radius at which it runs away in. Player approaches. We'll have a slightly bigger radius, then it switches to alert mode where it puts the leg up. And it just freezes. Twitches. Because that's how deers be. And then it'll still kind of like move its head around, I think, and look around. Or maybe no, it should just look directly at the character, I think. So I'll give it 2 states. I'll just make it a Boolean. Hello, Botanical Lucy. Welcome to the stream. Currently, writing some code so that a deer switches to alert mode and then finally runs away when you get too close. So here it loops through every character. And no matter what the state, I think I'm just gonna keep this. Run away, do run away. It's fine. We'll do else if not alert. And the distance to the player is less than the alert range. Set alert to true. Set another method that's just set to idle. That, so I can reuse that. That just takes the current direction, sets the sprites accordingly. Oh, that's awesome. I'm glad you like it. I'm probably gonna be regularly streaming, maybe every Sunday now. Still kind of figuring out a schedule, but that's the current plan. But yeah, I try to save the most visually interesting parts of game development for stream. Because there's a lot of really like boring stuff as well to watch anyway, and also to do, honestly. But yeah, like fun little stuff like background deer or special effects especially. I think I will plan to stream when I can. That sets alert. Let's see, so we got moving, blah blah blah, that's fine. I wanted to adjust move time. Don't remember what I called that. The mouse, this is old mouse code. Wait time. Thank you for the follow, Lucy. Glad to have you here. Wait time. So the wait time's between stuff. Oh, there's not a move time, it's just how far the target is. I see, I see, I see. So right now the limitations are if it's like, there's no pathfinding around objects. It's probably fine, honestly. It doesn't go through objects, there's collision, there's just not pathfinding. Which only makes a difference when it bolts to like go run and hide. Which will just be general map design of having that work. I can just do off screen. I don't think off the map will crash it. We'll find out. We'll find out. So there's the deer home. Looks good. So let me just test something here. Say we block it off. I don't even think it has collision at all, right? I think I should add some and then disable it when it runs away, so it goes through stuff. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, that's the name of the game. It's pretty much constant troubleshooting. But I definitely try to stream stuff that I'm experienced enough in that I know will go mostly smoothly. It doesn't always go smoothly, but this is all similar stuff I've done dozens of times before, so. I think I'll just dynamically add collision. I'm not solo developing, I'm like the lead developer. I'm solo programming, design, do a little bit of everything. I'll do a little bit of art as well, but I have several talented artists and music composers, hopefully a sound designer soon, a writer, so I have several other talented people working with me. But the game itself is my own idea, and I do a lot of the work. I did everything on my last game, including like art and music and sound and everything, and it was exhausting, so it's nice to be able to get some help on that, for sure. think I need a rigid body. Let's take a look at my layers. Figure out what layer I want to use. I got into game programming pretty early on. I was messing around with RPG Maker when I was in like middle school, I guess. Just as a hobby, just for fun. And I originally thought I would never be a programmer. I thought it looked boring. I just wanted to do the art. And then there was RPG Maker XP where you could write some extra scripts. And with the default event system, I couldn't do a lot of the ideas that I wanted to do. So I was like, all right, I'll learn a little bit of scripting. And I did. I was like, and then I was like, once I learned the basics, I was like, wow, this is a lot easier than I thought it could be, and this is really fun. So from that, I learned Flash action script and made some Flash games. So that was my big start in actual commercial games. But very, very largely self-taught. I went to college for computer science, but it didn't really, it honestly didn't really help game design very much. It's a very generic degree path, which is fine if you're going into the workforce, but I knew I wanted to work for myself anyway. Environment objects. So I don't want deer to run into each other necessarily. That's probably fine. I just want it to be able to hit the cliffs and stuff. So that's probably fine. But already, okay, yeah, it's fine. It doesn't hit each other. I did a degree in audio engineering and sound design. Awesome. Yeah, that's how it goes sometimes. Sometimes you have to just do what you need financially. It can be tough out there. But the internet's so great to be able to self-teach yourself. So many skills, especially around game design. So much of it is good ideas too. Not necessarily perfect programming abilities. Yeah, it's really nice to see everything to come together. Alright, I think environment objects is what I want. I think that's all I need to add. The deer shouldn't be able to walk over the log now. Hopefully. Yep, looks good. Probably get stuck on the boxes. Yeah, nice. Which I will disable. So when it runs away, we'll just disable this. And I'll just keep my level designed to where this doesn't usually happen. So that it won't go through stuff, but in case it does, it won't get stuck. Yeah, I mean, that looks fine, honestly, like, it slips through between the boxes. You guys have my Z ordering set up correctly. So that didn't look bad at all. Let's go scare away this mouse while we're at it. I love it. Not scaring them away, but them existing as critters in the game. Alright, runaway works. We need to... It's 2 different states. That's its own thing. It's gonna be in this update function. Move this to the function. Set moving to false when we're idle. Do that, and then this will depend on if we're alert. I think. Tompalazzi, thank you for the follow. Might have dreadfully mispronounced your name. My apologies. Welcome in. So just thinking through all the different movements that the deer's gonna do, whether or not it's alert or not. I think I know what I want to do. Hope to catch more of my streams. Thank you. Good to have you here. I'm trying to figure out like a set schedule currently, so I'm kind of leaning towards Sundays, possibly Saturdays. It depends on what I have going on in my life that weekend, but yeah, probably gonna do Sundays for game dev, and then I'll do some other stuff other days. Once I figure that out in the next few days, I'll post it in my Discord make the schedule official and keep that updated. So if we're alert, we're gonna do other stuff. I'll get to that in a second. So this is when the deer is completely comfortable. It's by itself, there's no danger. Right now it's just waiting and then moving somewhere and then waiting. Did mean to increase the movement radius though. Get rid of those. Oh! Sorry, Tom. I just realized you're Tomas. I read your name as Tampa and then Lazi. So, all right, I'm all caught up now. I got it. But yeah, welcome in. Good to have you here. Where are you going, dear? Chose a move location that I couldn't reach. So I need to do that with the mouse too, to have like a backup time. That's a little annoying. Time max and move time. Set a new move target. move time max should be distance divided by the speed. So move time to 0. So that way, as we're moving, move time plus equals time delta time multiplied by this, because I have like a little slow-mo effect when you go into some menus. So that won't affect the move time, I don't believe. Here, we'll say the move's complete either if move time is greater than the move time max, or we've actually reached the position. Actually, don't need that at all. Just do time. We're already taking into account the movement. I think that should, yeah, that should be it. Alright, hopefully that doesn't break anything. I think we're good. Still looks alright. So what's the disappear mechanic? Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna keep that. Otherwise I have to take into account different move speeds. That's fine. Don't actually need it on the mouse as long as there's no collision. Yeah, so now when the deer gets stuck, the move time backup takes into effect and stops the movement. So it's not just gonna walk all the way across the screen anymore. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do is every time it stops, I'm gonna have like right now it's just facing forward the head. The way I'm gonna randomize that, I think, is most of the time it's gonna face the same way as its body. We'll do like 75% of the time or something. It'll face the same way as the body. Otherwise, it'll just face a random way. So I'll just break these up. Make that more clear. We'll do... so that the math's easy, let's just do... %80 of the time. The head is going to face the same way as the body, so head up, down, right. It's the same, just not flipped. Then we'll do else. So there's a chance this will happen and still face the same way. That's fine though. Let's do it like this. Still want to break it along the body direction, but this will just always be head up. So there'll be a 5% chance of each of these. This will be head down. This will be head right. And head left. Good. So far, I think it's always facing the same way. There we go, there's a different one. already broken. Ugh. Something to do with the flipping, I think. Let's adjust the probabilities a little bit. The head. Body up, down, right, right, up, down, right, right, up, down, right, right, down, right, right. I don't know how that happened. Down. Right. I don't think that was the bug I saw, but it might be. That was weird. I need to start with the head. Not visible. Don't want a two-headed deer. Not this part of the game, anyway. These not have collision? Oh, they do, but it's... I wonder if there's a reason... I always forget this stuff. I wonder if there's a reason elsewhere in the game for why I don't have environment objects colliding with other environment objects. Because I use that, I think that's what the layer I use for basic hit detection. Oh no, that's just default. Does default hit default? Maybe the deer should be on default. I don't know, that sounds weird. Default does collide with default. Add another one. Not running out quickly though. Well, like the deer. What layer is this? Default. Huh. That's why I can't walk through the log. I don't have to walk through bushes either. I need those environment objects so that I can cut them. Leave. Do enemy? It's not enemy though. Alright. These background entities are pretty much kind of their own unique thing, so I'm just gonna add another layer. It interacts with the environment, each other. Not each other. Probably not each other. And I'll make them interact with each other. So it hits default, that's the basic collision. Action default objects. No weapon, no player. No enemy hurt boxes. No attacks. Triggers. Push is like different objects, like blocks, so they'll interact with that. Debris, no. Enemy, no, they'll just run through those. Environment objects, yes. Stack attack, no, no. And each other. I think that's what I want. Don't have to worry about the mouse, it doesn't have collision. Okay, so I think the deer should not walk through the bushes now. There we go. It's yours. Stop there. $207. I should update. Maybe I'm not. I'm not. That's why. Okay. That's why. Looping. Yeah, I'm not even doing that on the mouse either, I forgot. I need to correct the Z chord. That should fix it. There we go. Okay. We got the sorting working now. Got the Z updating, yep. Got the collision. Looks good. I want to see if that head bug happens again. I think I might have fixed it. Alright, I think I fixed it. Okay, so next step, we need to add like the little twitches. Tail twitch, and we got ear twitch. I think the I'll do the tail twitch more often when it's not alert, and the ear twitch more often when it is alert. Let's do twitch time. This is going to be very quick. 1/20th of a second. Copy that over. Twitch. Need the eating as well. Let's do tail first. We'll do twitch time variable. I add an animation. data. So we don't have to like do another switch when the Twitch is done. All that tail twitch and anim. We'll just throw the twitches in randomly, I think, here. Before the wait time's over. So do another if alert or not. We'll do that separately. There. I'll be marginally more optimized. Not that it really matters for this stuff. So if we're not alert, need like a separate wait time. A lot of variables. So it'll be very random. Like 3. Might not twitch at all sometimes. Might immediately twitch. So what we're gonna do is equals game adjusted delta time. If alert, we'll get there in a second. Wrap all that. We'll set the body's animation to the twitch, the tail twitch. Anim body, up tail. Down tail, left tail, right tail. Doesn't left doesn't exist. It's already flipped. I don't have to actually update that here. set the Twitch wait time. No, this is just Twitch time. Twitch time to constant. It's very short. I'll set tail end animation. Need to do that in the switch. So that's the default that it's going to return to. Down, right, right. First, before we start a new Twitch, we'll check if it's currently twitching. We're done. Set it to the end animation. I think that might be all we need to do. So start a Twitch. Do want, if we start a new thing, I want to cancel it out though. Twitch time 0. I'll also do that here as well. Set to idle. It was moving a little bit too fast. I don't know if this is exactly what's happening. Two things. I think the Twitch time needs to be a little bit longer, 1/10 of a second, and then I want where I'm setting it randomly. Twitch time. Twitch wait time. It doesn't even get reset, that's why. Twitch wait time is less than 0. Then we'll add a minimum wait time. Let's see, I'm trying to think how many times. Minimum wait time of a 1/4 second. They do swing fast. It was more the amount, not necessarily the speed. The amount of single twitches was too high. A little twitch. But yeah, that's too slow. The speed was correct. The frequency was not. Oh, that looks nice. That's great. It needs to be a little bit more frequent though. Let's do a max of 1 second. I'm gonna lower the lower bounds as well. But yeah, this is definitely coming together. These little tiny movements that really make things a lot more realistic. Yeah, now that it collides with the bushes, it even does a little wiggle. It's nice. Nice touch. Like it. I'll be back in a second. Alright, moving on. Tail twitch looks good. Let's add some ear twitches as well. And then we'll look really good. You know what? Let's give the deer a friend. I think it started out with his head gone. Yeah. So, okay. What's going on there? Start with walk right. I want. think I need that. I just need to do blah 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 blah. Set the idle here. And then I think we'll be good to go. It's fine. So now the deer has a friend. Alright, let's add some ear twitches. So I'll do the same thing as the tail. Let's do ear twitch and animation. I also want on the direction, head direction. Rename that tail twitch time. Rename that. Oops, that was, I think, the wrong button. Tail twitch wait time. Ear twitch time and ear twitch wait time. Let's do the difference in alert, not alert, just with the wait time, I think. So for alert, we're gonna twitch a little bit more often. Tail less often. And the ears more often. And we'll just copy this. Twitch wait time. Alert, we're gonna twitch the ears a little bit more often. Not as much when we're not. So this we need when we set to idle. Blah. Here, the head is the same direction, so we'll do head direction equals direction. Otherwise, this is head directions up. down, direction right, direction left. So now we do a switch for the ears based on the head direction. And then if it's up, do head, set new animation, anim head. Oh, we need the body direction as well. It's annoying. So many different combinations. And we'll switch on the head. Head. Set new animation. So be anim head. B up. H up. Twitch. All the words. And then the ear animation is going to be back to the default without the twitch. That's what we want, I think. Let's copy that format over, fix everything. So it's head. Left. Left. Head right. Head right. Body down. Down. Body right. There's not a body down. Right. Right. Body right. Don't have to reset any flips. It's the same stuff. I think that should be good. Copy that over. So this is head direction. This is body direction. Oh, I went too far. I went too far. This is all body up. All body up. Right. And this will be all body down, all body right, right. Right. Perfect. So ear, twitch, wait time. When it reaches 0, set the new twitch. We set the end animation correctly. Set the twitch time. We set the wait time for the next one. And then we'll do the same thing here. little disorganized here. We want just a flat else. Then we're gonna do blah blah blah. This is just tail. If blah blah blah, then we'll just do just ear. Did I just copy? That was a mess. I think I did it right though. Ear, twitch, and anim is the head sprite. Blah. So, check to see if waiting's done. Otherwise, if we're currently twitching, we don't do anything. Otherwise, we check if we should twitch. And then separately, if we're currently twitching ears, check to see if that's done. Otherwise, we check to see if we should. Alright, let's see what happens. That was ugly. Like, snapped its neck. I mean, there's like twitching going on, but movement speed's good for the tail, but I think the ear twitches need to be slower. And something's off there, I don't know why that's broken up. When did that happen? Just miss that. Be up. 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 Down. Right. Right. Just missed random ones. I think that's all it is. And they need to bow and eat and turn their ears in every direction as they listen for threats. Exactly. Yeah, that'll be what the alert status will be for mostly. Now they're just like kinda doing it, kinda doing their own thing. Gonna eat food and then alert. I don't know, I still haven't decided. That'll be when they put their leg up. At least. And probably just stare directly at the player. And just twitch until you move closer, then they'll run away. If you move away from them, then after a few seconds they'll return to... They'll probably look around for a little bit and then return to being casual. That's the plan. Alright, I wanted to increase your twitch time. I think I fixed my animations there. rename that tail twitch time. Separately, let's do an ear twitch time. So a little bit longer. Like so. Alert would be neck full up, ears forward, big exclamation mark above their head. I say, huh? What was that noise? And then you move away and they say, huh, I better lay off the ale. And it's like nothing ever happened. What is going on with their, I don't know, something's... It's not working correctly. It's like there's a, I don't know, there's a weird thing there. And sometimes it just like puts the ears down and doesn't twitch. I thought about adding the snake element as well. It'd be funny if they interacted with each other. I need to add it here. That's my main problem though. You're defending Metal Gear. Add the little sound effect. They're definitely very jumpy animals. Let's see my problem. The direction. Do I set this? Is that my problem? Oh, I did set it, yeah. That's correct. Set it as soon as we go to idle. Up, head down, head right, head left. There it is. There's why it's being weird. We got Twitch wait time. This needs to be ear twitch time. This is when it's twitching. That's a different variable. Twitch time minus the delta time. If twitch time is less than 0. There it is. Found it. Alright, so I disabled the tail twitching. So it should just be ears. Yeah, there we go. That's broken. Why is it? Oh, man. There's so many things going on. I don't even know where to look to find that. It's like... I want to pause it on it. I want to check something. Edit that animation. The head bobs up. Should just be the ears. See, that's broken. Okay, what do we got going on here? So the body. Is flipped. The head is also flipped, so that's right. Body's facing left. Be a deer. They're both facing left. They're both flipped. Both the right flipped. Body 0, 200. That one. Head is 160, 120, which I think is wrong. Yeah, it's putting this head on this body. Should put this head. So is that... I don't think it's the wrong animation data. Body right, head down. 60, 200. 200, 200, 200. So it's getting body down, head down there. Yeah, there it is again. Oh no, that's right though. I don't know, I can't find where that would possibly happen. There's another one. It happens after a move. Doesn't make sense. It wasn't happening before I added the ear twitches. It's like that the head is a different body head. Much than what it should be. I don't think that's it, but it's worth a shot. I think I know what it is. I think I forgot to do... Add that back, that's fine. Got to reset ear twitch time here, so what's happening, I think, is a twitch is starting right before the deer walks, and then when the deer stops walking, the ear twitch code continues, and it's like, okay, we're done twitching, now set to this animation, but it's actually animation based on the previous body, not the new body. So every time walk, just put it in here. Gonna reset those things. Alright, I think that's it. I think that's it. Alright, I think I fixed it. Good deal. That, yeah. Let's add. Need to add the eating, and then the turning. So I think what I need to do. Alright, so deer's just chilling, walking around a little bit. Twitching the tail, twitching the ears. Right now, it walks, it waits at random time. Walks, it waits at random time. What I'm gonna do is every time that wait time is over, instead of just walking to a new spot, there's also a chance for it to bow over and eat some grass or turn the head a different direction. Probability wise, let's do like 1/3 each probably. Move, eat, or look. I think that'll be fine. Add. We'll go to eat time. It's gonna be random. So when wait time's over, I'm gonna do float. Random. We'll do favor not moving a little bit. 30% chance of moving, else if it's less than 65. Then we'll eat. Look randomly. It will be... I think I already had that as a loop based on the body direction. So we'll just do switch based on the direction. Head, set animation. Anim, head, body, up. think that's all I need. And we got body down eat, got body left eat, body right eat. Why do brackets always break? Same as that. Flip's already good. And then we need to add eat time is random range between 4 and 2. Here, before the twitches, we check to see if we're eating. If we're done, should wrap this in a function. Ah, these stupid brackets. I think it's fine. So we gotta choose next action method, put all that stuff in. Move to a new spot, or we'll eat, or we'll look around. It says we're done eating, so we'll choose next action. I think that should be good. I don't think that's gonna break anything if I keep that empty for now. Here, we'll just make sure it doesn't happen. Just to test out the eating. Brackets, brackets. Yeah, I don't know why you do that, but... Alright, let's see if the eating works. Yeah. Some good food, he's not doing anything else. Eat time's not going down? Is that what's going on? You got some garage sale games? What'd you pick up? It's always fun. Oh geez, you got like 20 of them. Nice. What a haul. I used to play a bunch of Guitar Hero back in the day. Love that game. That and Rock Band, they're so much fun. Oh, this only happens if wait times. No, that's fine. That should be fine. Moving else if wait time. Oh, if else wait time could not be 0. That's what's going on. I think I need to do. I need to reuse wait time. I think. Wait time. It's just the same stuff. I think I'm safe to reuse it. I don't need a separate eat time. Just do that. $10 for all of that? It's a hell of a deal. I don't know how many US dollars $10 Canadian is, but I don't think it's that far off to make that not a deal. Kinda looks like a chicken sometimes. I can eat for a little longer than that. I don't know why it's necessarily happening. I think the twitching is taken over. Maybe. Like 70 cents to the dollar? Jeez. I used to have a 360, then it bricked. As the story goes. Alright, I don't want... I already got rid of the eat time, but I do want an eat boolean. Eat, wait time, eating is true. What do you do? Where's choose next action? Eating is false. So back up here so that the twitches don't interrupt the eating. Do as we're waiting, else if not eating. Then we might do Twitch stuff. I think is what's going on. I need to slow down the animation as well. I think. Get rid of the shadow as well. I've missed that part. It'll be annoying because the nose is touching it. Alright. Eat. Slow that down. Go back to the image. Might look weird. Find out. That look weird. Not as bad. Cool. Alright, eating's good. Believe. Now I just need a look, which I don't need another boolean for. It's just changing the direction of the head, basically. That's all it's doing. Look randomly is gonna be just reuse that. Take that back down. Rand is less than 5. Five. The direction will be right. Do H right. Don't need to adjust any flips. Else. Head's now gonna look left. Oh, I need to adjust these a little bit. Let's just fill this out first. Because for right and left, I have like the little animation. It's gonna be look right? What is it called? Right turn. That's what I want. And then we set a new wait time. Same thing as when we're done moving. Just while I'm thinking of it, when we set to alert, no longer eating either. Does it look? Go, like the ears kind of follow it on a look left or right. Alright, that looks pretty good. That's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna take a break for a little bit. Just need to do the alert stuff. Probably just finish that next Sunday. Add some other stuff. There's also like a cow I could add and a chicken, I think. Yeah, there's this little chicken. I don't have to piece stuff together though. Some of them. The cows have spots, the pig has spots. That could be the next stream because the deer's almost done. Just need a little bit left on the deer. But yeah, that'll be it for today. Thanks for hanging out, everyone. Thanks for watching me put together a deer, making the deer do deer stuff. Went pretty smoothly, I think. And yeah, I'll see y'all next week.